Shawn G, who calls himself a truth soldier, at a live stream on Tuesday, 9th of July, California time. This truth soldier came on the flat earth scene, claiming to be a flat earther, but he didn't know anything about the flat earth. He tried so desperately to gain subs and reach that 1000 sub mark where you can monetize the channel on YouTube. Then when he knew he wasn't getting anywhere, he switched and, quote, went back to the globe. He reached 1000 subs after that and he monetized the channel. But the problem here is that he knows absolutely next to nothing about the heliocentric model either. What a joke. Anyway, on his stream, on his hangout last night, he had a 15-year-old boy called Sasha, and now he's a regular on his streams, and Shawn seems to be infatuated with his 15-year-old boy. Now, I came in the chat around the 38-minute mark and I just typed, Shawn G, are you in love with Sasha? So let's see what happens.
Glovers on Discord, like these, there's like a whole other breed of flat earthers that don't come to YouTube either. It's weird. How they're flat earthers, I'm not really sure. I'm not sure.
Drop a link in Jim Panda's channel. It'll fill with lurks.
Yeah. Well, one of the things that I'm noticing that actually is, you would see, I've been told, oh, well, you're not having flat earthers on your panel. And I said it before. I'm not getting as many as I was, but that's also because the ones that were here and the ones that are here and that I've been openly talking about, Chris Berry, Seek and Find, Mind of God, they're not real flat earthers. And if they are real flat earthers, they're completely full of shit and they shouldn't be listened to. As far as I'm concerned, this is information based. I'm here to learn, and if there are no flat earthers here, that means there's no flat earthers with information to help me learn.
All right, to the chat real fast. Multi Tom Tom, you're skating on thin ice there. You've already been removed from at least one YouTube channel for the insinuation you're about to make. Don't fucking do it.
Here, I agree.
I tried to block him, but I can't.
Oh, Shawn, why does he have mod?
Everyone has mod in here. That's only
point,
so I don't ever have to worry about others, but it will be changing pretty damn soon.
Hey Shawn, real quick. Multi Tom Tom, you agreed to a debate with me on Team Skeptic's channel. Are you still down or are you backing out?
I'm gonna tell you right now, he won't. He's made maybe 5 appearances in the 5 years he's been around, and I can tell you right now, he's gonna get about 3 words out and embarrass himself, and you'll see why. I don't remember who he debated last time, but it was embarrassed. Like, I was embarrassed for him.
So at this stage, I was timed out by Shawn himself, and they keep talking about me, which is fine, no problem. And then I come back around the 44 minutes, and I just type, I hate pedos. It's just a statement. There we go.
You as globe denying, the people that take it too far.
Yep.
That has to be the second or third channel I've seen Tom Tom get deleted from doing exactly this. I think he's trying to find a way out of the debate circles just by making himself completely untouchably bad.
Yeah, he's no longer the center of attention troll, or center of attention. That's what he's used to. He used to being. Everyone knows who Multi Tom Tom is. He's been around forever, and he's a troll.
Anyway, I'm going to link this stream in the description below, so you can go and have a peruse. So you can make what of it as you will. You know, I mean, it's, everyone is free to do what they want, but there are laws against pedophilia, and it seems to be getting out of control. So be warned. Thanks very much.